We were very excited when we were approached by Royal Museum Greenwich because it's such a historic building. Being involved with transforming one of the spaces within the Maritime Museum was hugely positive for us. And it got even more interesting when we heard exactly what they wanted to put on the floor.
The atrium is the heart of the museum. Most visitors start their visit here. So we wanted them to come in and really immediately understand that we were talking about the ocean as the centre of all these stories and the thing that connects all of these galleries and the objects that we have in them. So we went for this map because it's the Spillhouse projection, and my favourite way of describing it is the curators often say it's a map of the world but for fish. We wanted visitors to walk in and just immediately get that we're talking about the ocean. The ocean is the centre of everything we do here because we're a maritime museum, and to make those connections across it. So what was really important for us for the map is it's essentially a big playground for kids. So we needed it to be really durable. We needed to stand up against snacks and drinks and lots of kids running around and scuffing their shoes all over it. But we also knew we wanted quite a lot of detail in the map. So we've got bathymetry in the map, which is that sort of really incredible ocean floor detail. And we knew we needed something that could capture that level of detail whilst also being super durable. So that was what we were really specific about in our tenders. We needed something that could do both of those jobs really well. And it was also really important for us to think about sustainability in this, because obviously if we're talking about the ocean and we're doing a lot of discussion around sort of climate change and things like that, it's good for us to be able to sort of talk about the materials we're using in a really positive way.
We were commissioned to really manage all parts of the project. So we initially worked with the team at the museum to understand exactly what they wanted to get out of the project, and clearly they were very passionate about the image and the design that they wanted to put on it. We then had to work with their designers, who were very knowledgeable about how design works, to put the map together, which involved splitting it into 29 different sections to be able to manufacture it in the right way. And that was a big design feat. We needed to liaise with the factory to get the production right, and then finally with Adam from iFlor to be able to fit the whole thing together so it works as one seamless image over a big area of 450 square metres.
The installation went well. It took approximately 7 days over the course of a week and a weekend. I think the finished look is excellent. It's a proud project to be involved in, and it's the largest digitally printed vinyl floor we've installed.
Eternal from Forbo is pretty much, I think, the only material that can be used for this sort of flooring. There's very few companies that can create someone's own image onto a floor that is durable and can fit into commercial space and also offers a 10-year commercial warranty. It was hugely satisfying that we won the Forbo Awards, because you get tied into a project and you're working on it day in, day out. But to get the public awards meant that we'd actually created something that a wider audience also enjoyed and thought was valuable. So the public awards was a great thing to have won, and very much appreciate it.